Carlos. Very good.
Part 2.
Very nice.
Sweet. Wow. Putting quite a hole in the sky. Beautiful. And all that without touching the cable.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. And remember, Seabolt will take care of your trees. Wow. But every chipper has its limits. Every chipper has its limits, so he's cutting them down to size so it'll fit in that chipper. You're not putting a 3-foot log in a 12-inch chipper. Man. But anyway, once again, Seabolt for your tree cutting needs, Murphy, North Carolina.
Ha 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 ha.
slow at the bottom because there's concrete. If your chain touches concrete, it's trash. Your chain is ruined. Oh, I'm yelling. Sorry. All right, back to the tree. So he's got to chew those up into smaller pieces so it fits in that chipper. If you try and put those big ones in there, it just bogs it down. And you don't want to trash your knives on the chipper. Oh wow, beautiful. Look at this guy. He's good. Oh. Now we're to the one that's over my power line. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. But I think Carlos got a handle on this one. Come on. Break my truck. That Carlos has more patience than I have. All those little branches would drive me nuts. I'm trying to walk through a pile of spaghetti. Okay, so he's got that top one. It looks like he's gonna put this one down low, and that'll keep the bottom from kicking out and taking out my power. Thank you. Muy bien trabajo, señor. This is cool. Not. Alright, just a warner. No, he's got to do it. Well, raindrop. That was the same thing in 1970s.
Oh yeah?
A raindrop, we're gonna go, boss! Right, on your jobs, what do you do? It's just by the rate? Do you do hours? Or what happens when you do a big, huge job like this? You got a crew of half a dozen men, right?
I just figure on each tree.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Poco peligroso. That was good job. Almost makes me want to go back to work again. Not.
Carlos, how you like that little saw?
It's good, pretty good. Did the 10 minutes short a little bit, but it's good.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Tell you what, the small stuff here, if you want, when you hook up back to the crane, go out there and hand hold it. If you want to just do this.
Todo, this one. Just bottom, put it right here and you got it from the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. I'll grab 500.
Yeah. There's nothing. It's gotta be smart.
See? Carlos is, as we would say, muy inteligente. Very intelligent.
Yeah, muy inteligente dog.
And that's about it for my Spanish. Yo no tengo mucho español. Bien. Muy bien, motosierra.
Yeah, grande motocicleta, got it.
Sí.
One pick, one tire right here. They got it there and pick them up and take over there.
Cranes will be swinging back.
If you hook one choker around, one choker on that long clip, so it'll pick straight up. Yeah, we can cut it at the ground and lift it out there. We just have to watch out power lines when I come up. Yeah. But what I'll do is I'll always do this stuff first. Bouncer.
It's Groundhog Day all over again. That's only cable vision. Be another two-way so he doesn't trash the power line. So he'll be putting one low, one high, swinging it up, so we're not calling Murphy power. I like it. I have been wondering for 10 years when this tree was going to fall across my power line. Well, don't have to worry about it anymore. Why, Bruce? Well, because at the bottom of my yard, a couple years ago, we had a big storm. It took out a huge tree. Holy crap, he's gonna lift up the whole freaking tree. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah, I didn't see what they were doing. He's hooking there, and they're gonna cut there. Lift the whole
angle it on the back at a 45 into that cut.
I got you.
Yep. That way it can't flip over. It'll sit back on it.
I've watched Instagram.
Cool.
Impatient.
Right the other way.
Almost. Oh, I like it.
The bow.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Swing your boom. Oh, there we go. Cable power line. Cable power line. Which do we leave? Which do we take?
I got it way too long. Oh!
Oh, that's good. Oh, good, good,
Okay,
good,
good.
good.
Swap. Swap.
Yo,
Swap. Good. Got it. No, no, flip it.
oh, geez. Oh, God.
John!
Yeah.
No flip!
I know. I'm trying to get that over. You're good. You're good. Up. Up.
Aviso. Around. What?
You're gonna break the leg.
Go.
Good.
Good. Teamwork. That's it.
Down the bottom back here.
Close, but good. That was almost it for the pole.
Come back here.
I've been looking at this power pole for 10 years.
How like pulling like that? It was just
Here, I'll give you a straight up and down.
yeah.
Can you see that? That's our pole. Sweet. Yeah, huge part of the way. That was a tricky one. But anyway, 10 years ago, I've been looking at this power pole. And yes, no, they didn't do that. That power pole's been at that angle for over 10 years. I asked the power board, what about that pole? We go, hell, that's one of the good ones. Oh, okay. Shut up, walk away. Cool.
One down, one to go.
Yeah. Wow.
Carlos, this is gonna be so bad, huh?
I'll be pretty skinny now.
I think that one bottom limb be the worst part.
Huh?
The one bottom limb be the worst part, really.
Yeah.
And if he can put me down over there, cut that small, cut it right there, because that's going to be close to lines. We work that limb off, and then the rest is going to be nice and easy.
Done. Right, yeah. Go, 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 go,
my neighbor forewarned me about this tree with that big knot hole in it. He says when they cut that down, start cutting it up, we're gonna come up with about 1,000 cigarette butts that he threw in that hole. I'll try and remember and take a look when they cut that up. We'll see. Wow. Oh, cool.
Oh, yeah. Still full.
Yeah?
It's an ashtray. It's an ashtray.
Wow. Now look how fast this tree is sweating out the water.
Ready. Watch your head.
Muy peligroso.
That's good.
There's the hook. He's putting that down because somebody's going to ride the headache ball and get
Hurry,
that
hurry,
break.
hurry. What are you doing, Carlos?
On the way, on the way.
I got you, school. Alright, now hear that wood chipper? They're putting in some big stuff. It's bogging down. That's why he cut up those big chunks. Anyway, they just cut this tree, and look at the water coming out of it. Wow. Super fast. That is cool.
That's that guy.
Used to be like that with sour wood.
Cut that off.
Can he get on top of the trunk?
No problemo.
They stand on top of that?
Yeah, go ahead, stand on top of it. I'm trying to remember if there's a skylight in there. That's the only thing to worry about, but do what you gotta do, no problem.
Ask if somebody can stand on top of there first. Okay. Yeah, can we do that and get that shit off there first? Then we ain't gotta worry about it flipping, you know?
On top of the truck or my storage shed. No problem.
The crane up there. I guess take this.
Yeah.
Bring this over. Okay. Okay. Give me my little soda. Let me.
Woo!
I got my Jason. You want me to cut it for you, too? Huh? Let me go up there and cut it for you? Huh? Let me go up there and cut it for you? Yeah. I bag your rope, give you your saw.
Sí, muchas gracias.
Okay, we're ready.
Ouch! Ooh! You alright?
You okay? What are you looking for?
Sean!
Ow.
No, he cannot control those things loose that he has.
Extend
it out now.
Thing don't really lock right now. Hey, small pieces. Sean, you know how to do a brake cut? Cut in 2/3, snap it off. Snap cut, brake cut.
It falls off.
Alright, Tom, grab some shit.
Help! Woo! Throw this shit over there. That's good. I feel like I'm gonna fall through this thing.
Hey, don't do that!
It's already a stack.
Then I gotta put a tarp on it. Alright, we got Carlos over our head, so we gotta keep an eye out. I should grab my herd hat.
Yeah, really.
Oh.
Stay out of danger zone now.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff falls.
I gotta grab my hard hat. I'll be back. Carlo's gonna kill me. Alright. I need my hard hat. Oh. Maybe later we'll cast some bullets. We'll make some bullets. Reload some stuff. I need my hard hat. Give me a hard hat. Where is a hard hat? Here we go. That'll work. Got my hard hat. I'm good. Critter is that crawling in there? Ow. Crap. There we go.
Yeah.
Alright. Now I'm ready. Hey, watch out. Carlos is gonna get you.
Okay, cut that motherfucker.
Ah!